Everyone, want to make everyday tasks easier? Check out these 10 game-changing Amazon household gadgets you didn't know you needed. From smart solutions to time-saving tools, these picks will totally upgrade your routine. Be sure to check the links in the description below. Number 1. Need an easy way to move heavy furniture? This upgraded furniture dolly set is everything you need. For heavy-duty dollies, a pry bar, heightening spacers, anti-slip mats, safety gloves, and a storage bag. Built with thickened carbon steel and silent rubber wheels, it moves smoothly without damaging floors. The pry bar with self-adhesive rubber pads makes lifting effortless, while the L-shaped retaining edge and locking switches keep furniture secure. Whether it's a sofa, bed, or fridge, this dolly set helps you move it with ease on wood, tile, or low-pile carpet. Get yours today. For a heavy-duty storage solution, our kitchen cart on wheels is built to handle over 990 pounds, making it perfect for the kitchen, office, warehouse, or even as a bar cart. With adjustable shelves, you can customize the height to fit your needs. The silent wheels with locking brakes ensure smooth mobility and stability, while 8 S-hooks maximize storage space. Plus, it's fireproof, rust-resistant, and super durable. Easy to assemble, no tools required. Get yours today for just $89.99 and organize your space effortlessly. Washing dishes by hand? Meet the NOVETE portable countertop dishwasher, a compact but powerful kitchen essential. At just 16.9 by 16.8 by 18.1 inches, it fits 4 full place settings, including 12-inch dishes at an angle, making it perfect for apartments, RVs, and small kitchens. No installation? No problem. Use the built-in 5L water tank or connect it directly to your faucet. With 5 wash cycles, including a baby care mode that heats to 167 degrees Fahrenheit, your dishes and baby bottles get a deep clean. Plus, the 3-in-1 function washes, dries, and stores your dishes with automatic ventilation for 72 hours. And if you're in a hurry, speed mode cleans in just 29 minutes. Save time, save space, and enjoy sparkling clean dishes effortlessly. This triple brush glass washer makes cleaning your glassware effortless. With durable nylon bristles and a strong suction grip base, it attaches securely to your sink and scrubs away grime in seconds. The brushes are replaceable for easy maintenance, ensuring your glassware stays sparkling clean every time. Perfect for busy bars, restaurants, or home kitchens, and available for just $19.99. This 69-inch multi-purpose window squeegee cleaning kit is designed for effortless and efficient cleaning, featuring 3 interchangeable heads, a 10-inch squeegee blade, a chenille scrubber, and a microfiber scrubber, along with a rotatable attachment for versatile use. The detachable pole extends up to 69 inches, making it easy to clean high windows without a ladder, while also allowing handheld use for smaller areas. Unlike flimsy aluminum poles, its high-quality iron construction ensures durability and stability. The stainless steel squeegee is rust-proof and sturdy, with a tightly fitted silicone blade that prevents water streaks. The chenille and microfiber scrubbers are super absorbent, effectively transferring water and soap while scrubbing away dirt and grime. Struggling with narrow gap dust? This high-quality Crevice cleaning brush, made with durable plastic and rust-proof stainless steel, easily tackles dirt in hard-to-reach places. Its hard bristles and ergonomic, non-slip handle ensure deep cleaning for window tracks, kitchens, bathrooms, cars, and more. Designed with a narrow head and triangular brush, it effortlessly removes dust and debris from every corner. Introducing the Fast Heat Steam Cleaner, the ultimate tool for fast, chemical-free cleaning. With a rapid 50-second heat up, it reaches temperatures of 230 degrees Fahrenheit to 260 degrees Fahrenheit, quickly tackling dirt, grime, and stains without harsh chemicals. Whether you're cleaning floors, tiles, sofas, or car seats, it delivers powerful steam in both dry and wet modes. Plus, you can add water anytime during use without having to wait or close the tank lid. Its 7.2-foot hose and detachable design make it portable and easy to store. Equipped with 21 accessories, it's perfect for cleaning hard-to-reach areas and a variety of surfaces, from kitchen counters to car engines. Enjoy eco-friendly, cost-effective cleaning that saves you money on supplies and prolongs the life of your furniture and home. Stainless steel food mill, the perfect tool for making tomato sauce, applesauce, mashed potatoes, and more. Made from durable, easy-to-clean stainless steel, this versatile kitchen gadget also works as a colander and vegetable steamer. Its ergonomic rotary handle with a spring-loaded lever makes turning smooth and effortless. The strategically positioned side hooks securely rest on any pot or bowl. Plus, with 3 interchangeable milling discs, fine, medium, and coarse, you can easily create your favorite sauces, soups, and baby food. Compact in size, this food mill won't clutter you. Upgrade your beauty routine with this modern 48-inch vanity desk, featuring a 36-inch HD lighted mirror with adjustable brightness and 3 light modes for flawless makeup. The sleek navy blue glass top, elegant fluted panels, and gold accents add a luxurious touch while being easy to clean. With 5 spacious drawers and shelves, organizing your makeup, skincare, and accessories is effortless. Made from FSC certified wood, it's durable, stylish, and easy to assemble.